Hello from a beautiful blue sky sunny day here in Scotland. It's still pretty cold, and believe it or not, as beautiful as it currently looks, it was pretty icy earlier and it's still freezing. This was my garden before I left. Anyway, I thought I would make the most of the dry, bright blue weather and pull the T100 out of the garage. It hasn't seen the roads since last year, pre-winter essentially, so quite a few months. In fact, I just received a £40 fine from the DVLA for not having it taxed, because the tax ran out on the 31st of December. And I didn't tax it at the start of the year, and I didn't declare it as SORN. In fairness, I wasn't in Antarctica working and was completely unaware. My own fault, but hey ho. Pulled it out of the garage and it started first time. Brilliant. I wish I could say the same for the bobber, but that is another story that I will go into another time. So after a quick stop at the petrol station, I decided to take the 18-mile run up the side of Lochlomond along the A82 to my current location here in Tarbert. This car park here in Tarbert recently underwent some major works, and it looks like they're just about finished. They've still got some groundworks to do. I think the idea is that it can accommodate more cars, and they've now got designated areas for motorhomes and overnight stays, but it's quite a popular one for the bikes to pull into. It's about halfway up, maybe a little bit over halfway up Lochlomond, and there's a little coffee shop at the end of the car park. So if you fancy a brew or even a wee tasty cake, it's quite a good place to stop for a wee pick-me-up. In the summer months it can be completely overrun. It's absolutely heaving with tourists, but as you can maybe see behind me, I'm literally sitting here by myself. There's the odd one or two come in, but super quiet, which is ideal. The views here are spectacular, and on a day like this, I don't know if you'll get much better. So I thought I'd come up here, I'd fire the drone up into the sky and we'll take some scenic footage, and then hopefully I'll get some decent footage on the way down the road that I can drop in as well.